What is up, all my investors? It is Shaddai, and I'm back again with another HINANCE video to break down the stressful financial industry. I'm here to break it down for everyday people like me and you so we can get to this money, this cheddar, just a little bit more smoothly. Today, I'm talking about the Yo Hood IPO, aka Robinhood IPO, that is coming. Some details that I want you to know, and I'm gonna express how I honestly feel about this IPO stock, stealers, whatever you want to call them. They ain't for the people. But anyway, we'll get into that in just a second. How you doing? I just want to check in. Are you doing good? How's your portfolio? Is it underperforming, overperforming? Is there a stock that you're currently watching right now that you'd like to share in the comments below? Because other people watching could also gain from that information. Not me. I got my hands full with what I got. But yeah, share some comments below with some stocks if other people should be watching it. With that being said, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, share. Yeah. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about what we're here for. The Yo Hood IPO. They come into every city, digitally. And they finna rob every single city. I'm saying it first. I've been saying it for some time. This is not a platform that I trust, but especially with my money, I don't know how y'all do it. I really gotta give it to some of y'all. Some people just don't care how companies treat them, but I'm different. So Robinhood IPO, they're ditching the traditional IPO way there because they're for the people. They're democratizing investing. Bullshit. I feel like they're doing this to make up for their little mishap that they did. We're gonna talk more about that as well. So they're holding 35% of the shares for the Robinhood investors specifically for their platform. So normally retail investors wouldn't even have access to the prices that they're about to give. So maybe a lot of people will make money on this. What to expect? Between $38 and $42. That's the expectation. I'm not sure if once the on market opens up, I'm sure that can either blow up or blow down, whichever way you want to look at it. Like I said, Robinhood plans to hold 35% of the shares just for retail investors. Ooh. But there's still some order flow controversy, right? And I'm still not over the whole little Citadel thing that went on with how Citadel bailed out the hedge fund, and then they put the pause on Robinhood so that no one else could make money off the stock. They could only sell, which led to a complete downsell so that the hedge fund can get their money back. It was a mess, y'all. And the fact that he went on multiple interviews and didn't, I feel like he was still beating around the bush. Even the David Portnoy interview was that was my final draw. I was like, wow, this guy's really just lying to us. He's really not for the people. Their platform is not for the people. You're searching a stock. You see a stock at $50, right? They're buying it at $49 or $48 and then selling it back to you at more than $50, $50, or maybe they will sell it back to you at $50, but they're gonna buy it for less. They're scalping everybody's trades. It's crazy how this is even legal. I guess they don't call it a transaction fee. That's the crazy part. But it's not real. So make sure when you're taking out your gains that it's worth it to cover everything. Because man, these people, you won't even notice the money that they're taking. That's the crazy part. You never notice it. It's like it never happened. But it is happening. So there is some controversy there. If it was an industry-wide thing, cool, which it probably is, right? But when you have the person who runs your platform, who processes all the orders with your platform, and they start controlling that platform, or they have power over what that platform does, that, my friends, is some form of communism. But hey, what do I know? What do I know? You got this bigger company telling the smaller company, yo, this is what you got to do, or stop that, don't do that. It's because other people are losing money. My friends are losing money. Well, we're all losing money, Citadel, right? So what I want to see from this IPO, I'd like it to see it burn to the ground, y'all. I'm going to be completely honest with y'all. I'd like to see it burn to the ground. But this platform does make money. Whoever's trading on it, they finessing y'all on a day-to-day basis, and I'd like to see it burn, but I'd like to see some of the people that lost money make their money back. So if you can get your hands on that 35% shares between $38 and $42, that, I guess, if you can get your hands on it, do it. Do it. Get rid of it quick. Make it short. Don't hold too long. I think that this one, just based off of their leadership, this one can be very volatile in my eyes, personally. But that's just my thoughts. Rob Yo Hood, like I said, will be in all neighborhoods. I don't even know if they put out the date yet. Oh, July 29th is the date. I didn't forget to mention that. July 29th is the date. Big day for a few other companies as well. Shout out to Nokia. But yes, Rob Yo Hood will be available for purchase stock under the ticker symbol Hood. Let me know how y'all feel about Robinhood below in the comments. I'm going to finish this video out by saying, if you're interested in joining the investor Discord chat we have, Future Millionaires, shout out to all y'all. Put a money sign in the comments below. If you're interested in joining that group chat, we're a group of investors looking to build generational wealth by sharing resources and having daily financial conversations. Hit me up on the DM and I will get you all the details. Rob Yo Hood in the store near you.